ChitChat English.
Can we meet tomorrow? Yes, that works for me. What time? How do I connect to the Wi-Fi? You need to select the network named Cafe Guest. What is the Wi-Fi password? Enter the code 123456. What size do you wear? I wear a size medium. How long have you been studying English? I've been studying English for 2 years. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Yes, the Green Bistro on Main Street is excellent. What's the exchange rate for dollars to euros? The current exchange rate is $1 to 0.85 euros. Do you know where I can find a pharmacy? Yes, there's a pharmacy on the corner of Park. What's your favorite sport? I love playing soccer. Can I have the menu, please? Certainly, here's the menu. Do you have vegetarian dishes? Yes, we have several vegetarian options. How far is the airport from here? The airport is about 20 miles away. Can you take a picture of us, please? Of course, I'd be happy to. What time is checkout? Checkout is at 11 a.m. Where can I buy souvenirs? There's a souvenir shop across the street. Do you have a map of the city? Yes, here's a map for you. What's the best way to learn English? Practicing speaking and listening as much as possible is the best way. Do you have any children? No, I don't have any children. Can I try this on? Yes, the fitting rooms are over there. What time does the bus arrive? The bus arrives at 10:15 a.m. How do I get to the city center? You can take the metro line 2 to the city center. Where can I rent a car? There's a car rental office at the airport. Do you know where the post office is? Yes, it's 2 blocks down on your left. What should I visit in this city? You should definitely visit the old town and the museum. Can I have a receipt, please? Sure, I'll print it out for you. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling and exploring new places. How can I improve my English? Reading English books and watching movies in English can help a lot. What's the capital of your country? The capital of my country is Ottawa. Can I pay in cash? Yes, we accept cash payments. Do you offer any discounts? Yes, we have a 10% discount for students. What's your name?
My name is Jane.
How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do?
I work in the IT field.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do speak English.
How much is it?
It's $20, please.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Can you help me?
Sure, I'd be happy to help. What do you need?
Where is the restroom?
The restroom is down the hall to the left.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Certainly, I'll get you a glass of water.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
What's the weather like?
The weather is sunny and warm today.
Can I use your phone?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy a ticket at the front desk over there.
Can you speak slower, please?
Absolutely, I'll make sure to speak more slowly.
What day is it today?
Today is Wednesday.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please, take a seat.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 5551234.
What does this word mean?
This word means happiness.
How do you spell computer?
Computer.
Can you repeat that, please?
Of course, I said, call me back again.
What's the date today?
Today is the 15th of March.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
How do I get to the train station?
Go straight down this road and then turn left.
What time does the store open? The store opens at 9 a.m. How do I say thank you in your language? In my language, you say thank you as gracias. Can I borrow a pen, please? Sure, here's a pen for you. What should I do now? Please complete this form. Is this seat taken? No, that seat is available. Can I pay by credit card? Yes, we accept credit cards.